Doing what you love for a living is one of the best feelings in the world. It is 100% possible to run a profitable jewellery business. I know that a lot of people say that it's not possible, but I also know a lot of jewellers doing it.
I'm a bit of a romantic, so I really enjoy making engagement rings.
Well, it's really lovely to be able to make something that you've designed yourself.
I've been doing this for nearly 20 years. It's not a job, it's a passion.
I think being a jeweller can be lonely. We work on our own a lot, and having a community around you can make such a difference.
It's very rewarding, and I enjoy working with the metal and getting it to do things.
The thing I love most about jewellery making is that you never stop learning.
If you know it's in your heart to run a jewellery business, then we are here to help. The Jewellers Academy membership is a year-long programme. It consists of core business courses that help you to build your business, covering areas like pricing, online marketing, social media, and much, much more. Also, one of my favourite parts is the jewellery photography course, which is an in-depth course in how to create beautiful images of your work. We also know that keeping up your making skills is really important. So members will have access to all of the Jewellers Academy making courses. These cover things such as silversmithing, stone setting, metal clay, gemstones, and much, much more. Community feedback and progress are at the heart of the Jewellers Academy membership, which is why we have a dedicated Facebook group for members so that everyone can connect with each other and support each other on our jewellery business journeys. Finally, we have question and answer sessions and exclusive discounts just for members. Building an incredible business is not going to happen overnight, and it does take commitment, which is why we're dedicated to a year-long programme. So much can happen in a year to move yourself and your business forward. The cost is £365 a year, so yeah, that's £1 a day. And the value of the content, if bought separately, is at around £5,000. So this is an incredible offer to be able to get all of this content and courses together. I would really love to work with you on your business over the course of the year to build and grow with your making skills and your business skills. If you'd like to join, sign up on the Jewellers Academy website today, and we'll get started creating incredible businesses together.